Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Samantha and I talk about rescuing things to resell online for a profit. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like this video. It helps me a ton, but I will be putting out content to help you guys as well. So today's going to be another bulk unboxing. I ended up getting a couple more here recently and I just want to share what's inside. This one right here has a very high average price that I paid per item. So I'm praying that most of it is at least designer or higher in clothing because it's kind of what it looked like on the manifest. Before I get too far, I just want to give a huge shout out to Mike and Terry's Resell over here on YouTube. If you haven't done so, make sure you go check them out. They're an awesome power couple and man, they're just killing it in the reselling game. So go check out their channel as well and spread some love. Maybe you'll gain some knowledge too from them. But let me go ahead and show you guys what's inside of this box right here. So I turned it on its side just because, you know, it's getting really close to the time baby's going to be born. So I needed it easy. I can't really reach high and stuff right now. All right, so the first item right here is, says new with tags for $198. It's reflective, I believe. I don't know what brand it is though. Okay, it's just Guess. It's a really nice Guess men's jacket, it looks like. And just because it has a high retail value does not mean it's worth, you know, what is on the tag. Here's another one. The other one was a large. This one is a small. So I'm happy to get a variety for sure. And this one is another large and the same. And this one is a vest. Oh, a Michael Kors premium down. Yeah, looks like a vest. Is it a vest? No, it's actually a coat. So this is a Michael Kors men's coat. This is a Columbia waterproof jacket. Okay, this one is open, so we'll go ahead and take it out and see what's inside here. Super Dry. I have not heard of it. Super Dry Expedition Co. It's a really nice jacket in really good shape, heavy duty. I'll have to look it up because I have not heard of this brand. Another Columbia puffer jacket. This one will do really well just because it's a puffer jacket. Oh, and it's a 4X. So that'll do really, really well just because it is a larger size. It's going to be hard to find. And this is the same one, but, oh, another 4X. So it's the same size, Columbia. Another one of those camo ones by Guess. And this size is a small. Okay, this one is Sean John. Might as well open it because the bag's already destroyed a little bit. Okay, so this just looks like a jersey jacket. Ooh, it's really nice. So just a Sean John jacket. There should be tags somewhere. Right here. Yeah, MSRP's for $100. This is a nice men's INC jacket. So this one is also open already. Might as well take it out. But yeah, it's a really nice double-breasted jacket here. We got another one of those. And this one is a large. I don't know what the other one was. Let's see. Large. And then one more in a large. So 3 larges in that size. Okay, and that was everything that I was expecting. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more box for you guys. Okay guys, I am back and I have an uninspected returns box right here. I already got it turned over and ready to go. So the first thing is this BULQ linen duvet cover set. It retailed for $110. Always love seeing that, and I always love seeing when the plastic is still on the zipper as well as at the beginning there. It means it's new. Got another one of those. And this one's a king, and this one is a full queen. So I got both sizes. And this one package is ripped. Yeah, this one I'll have to check out to make sure that it is in newish shape. And this one right away has some stain on it. It is a beach towel, but again, this is uninspected returns, so it's bound to determine that something is going to be ruined inside of it. So I'll wash that, and it cannot be new. Room darkening curtain. I actually just sold 3 of these, so that'll be easy listing, especially if it's new. Gotta make some room. Tote to put stuff in. Looks like a pillowcase sheet. Not sheet. And it's a pillowcase set is what I meant. Looks like some more curtains. Oh no, this is a shower curtain. So it's a really nice shower curtain, and it has been opened. So again, you can't list it as just new. You'll have to be like, it's been opened, but it was checked over, if you check the item over before listing it. All right, a Field Crest towel. These towels have been doing amazing for me, especially the hand towels. It hasn't been doing, you know, like high amounts of money, but like one of these will go for $12 and free shipping. And then I'll do like a set of 3 for $15 and free shipping. Another, nope, this is a Nate Berkus one. So bath towel. Another Field Crest. And this is a matching towel from the Field Crest. Those actually still have the tags on them for $12.99. A rug. Oh, it's a bath mat, I guess, by Nate Berkus, which is like a Target brand. Rugs have been doing excellent for me too. Not high profit like one of those duvet cover sets will do, but hey, money is money if it sells quickly, huh? This is Nate Berkus. Here's the tag too, which is amazing because this is an uninspected returns, meaning you could literally get a towel that's been used, but you don't know that. That's why I steer clear of the uninspected ones and try to get the new cases or pallets. Another Nate Berkus. Field Crest satin sheet set for a king. This was new, $100, on sale for $70. Oh, look at this adorable Elmo little neck pillow from Sesame Street. Cute. Now this one clearly has been stuffed back in the bag, so I'll have to check it out. But it's just a sheet set. And then Field Crest duvet cover set was $100, $70 on sale. And again, it still has that plastic that's stuck there, so it's new. And there's only one little bitty thing in here, but it's like an empty bottle. I think you fill yourself, but yeah, that will get thrown away. But yeah, that's everything that came in this lot. I think I got a pretty great deal, especially on the other coats. It's getting to be that time, you know, fall's getting, it's right around the corner, and then winter will be right around the corner. So now is the time to get all that listed, even though it's still hot out. There are people who are searching and looking for that. So again, I am on Instagram, Facebook, Thrifty on a Dime. Make sure you like this video and subscribe if you haven't, guys. I can't wait to put out more content to help you on your reselling journey. Have an amazing day.